Yo, what's happening, people? Saeed here. So if you've been following me on LinkedIn lately, you'd have probably seen a common theme around Go on my platform. Been writing quite a bit, so I thought I'd showcase a super quick project that I've just wrapped up. The repo will be down in the description box below, or the comment section, wherever I post this. So yeah, I've already built the binary. It's a platform, or it's an application that basically scrapes the top social platforms for a username of your liking. So if you want to check to see if this username's around, you can use it as kind of like an intel reconnaissance type thing, or if you like you're making a business or whatever, and you just want to check to see if the handle is available. So yeah, so I'm gonna look for side020, and it will just search the web, scrape it, let me know what is where. So in GitHub, you've got a username that's it's available. So Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok, that username's already taken. Super quick, I'll run you through the code. So it's using a few basic libraries. So first things first, we pass the parameter as a flag, and we pass that, and then after that we then print to screen that it's searching for the web. We've got a map here with the keys being the platform and the values being the links to those platforms. We've got a quick URL variable that's not been initialized, just declared. We then loop through that map for the platform and the link, and then we then initialize the URL with the link. It can concatenate with the user pointer for the user. That's a string obviously passed through the parameter. We then run a HTTP GET request against that URL, right, and handle any errors. The status from the body returned will then be initialized into a status variable, and that's where we run the conditions against to check to see if it's a 200, then it's unavailable, because that means the URL has returned that a user already has that handle. Obviously vice versa for 404, if it's not found, then we assume that the username is available, right? Is available. And yeah, it then handles any other status codes. So in the case that you get some 999 status code, like in the case of LinkedIn really limits the number of API calls you can make. So for that reason, obviously we've just left that as kind of it's unclear if available or not, so you need to do your own search on that. So yeah, hope that was helpful. Till next time.